एक famous doctor, Dr. Michael Mosley. Bless him, he's passed away. He passed away 2 years ago in a car accident. So he's a GP. He's in his 50s. And he became diabetic. सोचे एक डॉक्टर दोस्त किसी एडवाइस कर रहा है, तो वो पे अपने जीपी के पास गया. तो उसने पूछा कि भैया मैं डायबिटिक हो गया, एज ए तुम मेरे जीपी हो, मैं एडवाइस क्या दोगे. तो उसका ये फेमस कोट है, ये न्यूज़ आर्टिकल में आया था, पॉप द पिल एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट. From one doctor to another, one GP to another, pop the pill and hope for the best. फिर उसने वहाँ पर जाकर उसने फिर he went in through the whole health journey. He took out, I think, some supplements as well. And, you know, and trust me, I'm a doctor. उसी की मतलब part of the series है. And it's quite interesting, like, and he's passed away now. And I learned so much from him in terms of milk भी उसने बताया कि, you know, like, for example, semi-milk hai, skimmed milk hai, full milk hai. He explained कि देखो nutritionally, you know, semi-skimmed or skimmed milk में वो nutrition नहीं है. It is better for you to have full milk.